how negative marketing and the stigmas floating from the West termed it fattening and super unhealthy, and how many of us got manipulated with this Western jargon. But the truth triumphed, and now ghee has found a premium place on the shelves of the supermarket of the West with the name clarified butter. Today we will discuss the astonishing and the most unexpected benefits of ghee and how including this Indian superfood in your diet will take your fitness to the next level. Coming up the other side, all about ghee. Stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to FitTuber. We Indians have been consuming ghee for centuries. When butter is simmered, a golden yellow liquid is left behind. This liquid is called ghee. Ghee is a goldmine of nutrients, has therapeutic values, and can be used internally or externally. Due to its plethora of benefits, ghee is considered sacred in India. No matter what region of India you come from, ghee was always been used in our delicacies. However, it so happened in 1970s, 80s when these foreign refined oil companies, in order to sell their so-called heart-healthy oils, intensively bad publicized the ghee, calling it fattening and unhealthy for heart. Manipulated by such marketing strategies, we changed our household cooking medium to refined oil, while the health conscious opted for Western olive oils at 5x prices. Modern doctors warned you against eating ghee. Your nutritionist omitted ghee from your diet, and those so-called heart healthy oils for which we had left our ghee have now been proven by numerous studies to be nothing else but a colorless, odorless, tasteless, and nutritionless liquids produced after so much refining that they readily become toxic when heated. Using refined oils has become the #1 reason for increased heart attacks in the country. Well, truth cannot be hidden for long, and here is ghee, which is now being recognized by modern science as the healthiest form of fat. Do you know that ghee is trending in US? Just as you find olive oils on the shelves of the Indian supermarkets these days, in the West, ghee is being sold as a premium cooking oil. What makes ghee so special? Isn't it high in saturated fats? Yes, it is, but the 4 letters that spell a miracle. SCFA. To be precise, short chain fatty acid is a unique type of saturated fat found in ghee. Unlike the long chain fatty acids found in the animal saturated fat, short chain need not be broken down in the small intestine and are immediately used by the body for energy. Due to this unique short chain fatty acid profile, ghee is not fattening, but actually cuts the fat from the most stubborn parts of the body. Being one of the highest sources of CLA, it mobilizes the fat cells to shrink down to their original size. So if your goal is fat loss, start eating ghee right away. Another big plus point of using ghee for cooking is that it has very high smoke point of over 250 degrees Celsius, way more than any other cooking oil. Smoke point of an oil is the temperature at which the fatty acid bonds tend to break and the oil becomes unfit for consumption. This makes ghee ideal for all types of cooking, including deep frying. Did you know that every time you add ghee to your meals, you are reducing the glycemic index of the meal? A major chunk of Indian population being diabetic, ghee is a savior. This slow and steady climb of the blood sugar levels also makes it easy for the body to effectively assimilate the micronutrients from the meal. If you are facing any kind of digestion issues, there are high chances that ghee is missing in your diet. Ghee is packed with butyric acid. Now what's up with this butyric acid? Well, our body converts fiber into butyric acid. Since ghee already has it, it makes the body's job easier. So as compared to any other oil, meals cooked in ghee are lighter on the stomach. Moreover, the SCFA in ghee is now recognized as a prebiotic, something which creates an optimal environment for the gut-friendly bacteria to prosper. Ghee, because it is high in omega-3s, contrary to the popular belief, actually reduces the bad cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants, CLA, and fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, and E, ghee is heart healthy in true sense. Many studies are proving to you this today. So if your cardiologist stops you from eating ghee, it's time to change him. Apart from this, if you feel low on energy, if you want to build muscle mass, or have joint pains, skin problems, hormonal issues, fertility issues, or you want your brain to function at its optimum level, you should start adding ghee to your diet. And did you know that pure ghee does not come with any expiry date? Yes, if ghee is properly stored in an airtight container, kept in a cool dark place, it never goes bad. The ancient texts mention to this extent that the older the ghee is, the more beneficial for health it becomes. How to have ghee. Ghee is the purest form of fat, free from milk solids and impurities. So it is absolutely lactose free. It is one food on the planet which suits all body types. Irrespective of your fitness level, age or gender, you can include 2 to 4 teaspoons of ghee daily without any guilt. Ghee can be put on top of rotis, rice, curries or dal.